Hi Zach, how are you?
Doing good yourself?
Thank you for inviting us over to Pepper Palace. What is Pepper Palace and where it comes from?
So we are the premier hot sauce shop in the entire world. We make all sorts of varieties of products. We make wing sauces, hot sauces, barbecues, marinades, glazes. But it all started in 1989 in a mall in the middle of Wisconsin.
What's the basic idea? Like, you know, it's like spicy sauces. So do you think we have you guys have a market here in the US?
Absolutely, and not everything that we make is spicy. We just make, a lot of the stuff is spicy, but there's plenty of savory, sweet, smoky, flavorful stuff that isn't gonna light you up, that is just gonna enhance the flavor of what you're eating.
All right, so we have so much here, so let's go around the store and see what you got.
Let's get started. So right up here is our hot sauce bar for items that are on the sample bar. We have a variation of different types of sauces. We have some vinegar-based sauces, tomato-based. We have mustard-based sauces as well.
But when it comes to American food, it's pretty bland. It's not spicy.
Correct.
Tell us about a little bit more about what's going on around this store. There's so much to see and taste.
So over here, these are majority our original creation. Some of our best sellers are Black Rose hot sauce, which is a habanero hot sauce with cayenne pepper as well as jalapeno pepper, garlic, fresh ginger. It's an award-winning hot sauce, as a matter of fact. Then there's the oyster horseradish, which I've mentioned already. Then down below we have some sauces with the world's hottest pepper in it, the Carolina Reaper pepper. It's got incredible heat, but really good flavor. We have a tomato base and a mustard base.
What kind of people are more daring to try it? Kids, males, females? What do you see?
Males for sure seem more adventurous. Also could tie that into stupid maybe. You know, just willing to just try something, no questions asked, just what is this? I don't care, I'm just gonna try it. And kids as well, they're gonna be a little bit more adventurous. Also, men are a little bit hesitant to ask questions. So they'll just try something and it'll be something really hot and they'll have no idea until they try it, and then they'll have a pretty interesting reaction, sometimes positive, sometimes negative.
Day, but not the same old thing.
You have the hottest sauce and you challenge people, like try that. Tell us about it. What is it and any stories behind it?
So the hottest sauce is right over here. It's a sauce, it's called Flash Bang Hot Sauce, and it is made with the hottest peppers in the world, the world's hottest pepper, the Reaper pepper. It also has that Trinidad scorpion pepper, it has ghost pepper, habanero pepper, and then it has a concentrated pepper extract. Now that's what they use to make pepper spray out of. It's the concentrated oils inside of peppers, which is known as capsaicin, and you add it directly into a sauce, and it ramps the heat level up tremendously. And to sample this here in the store, our customers have to sign our disclaimer here, and once they do that, then they can get themselves a little sample on one of these little spoons or on the chips that we have to sample.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
What's your name?
Antoinette.
Antoinette. So, are you looking around these sauces? Are you okay to try a little bit with me?
Absolutely.
All right, so let's see who reacts how trying the same sauces. All right,
Okay.
I'm just trying to see, you know, how I react and how other people react to different sauces and, you know, the spicy level of, you know, the sauce. All right, so let's do this. And me are gonna try some hot sauces, and Zach is gonna take us through it. All right, so what we got first?
All right, so first up is gonna be our #1 selling sauce. It's called Sweet Bourbon Glaze. Now this isn't very spicy, it's incredibly savory, it's
Okay.
sweet, and it's good on just about everything.
It's actually very good.
Yeah.
I can, you know, drink the whole bottle actually.
All right, you want some heat?
Yes.
All right, let's go get some heat. This is our extra hot wing sauce. You're gonna feel a little bit more heat on this one because I have habanero. It's really good.
Yeah, it's very good, but very flavory. It didn't burn me though.
No? All right. We'll get there, don't worry. You guys ready for some real heat?
All right. Antoinette, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, okay.
All right,
Let's
so
do
what
it.
I have to offer you now is our flashbang hot sauce. It is our hottest hot sauce. As you can see by the sign here, the hottest hot sauce in the store. Now, before I can let you guys try this sauce, I need you to sign our disclaimer here.
Really?
So sign and date. Absolutely.
So what can happen? Anything can happen
So
to us?
anything could happen. More than likely, you're just gonna feel a nice burn, but potential, you have an adverse reaction.
It's getting a little hot in here. I'm just gonna,
I'm feeling it right here, going through my ears.
Now it's got to the ears.
I'm gonna throw my spoon away.
She can't talk right now.
Flame Survivor stickers.
Oh, we're putting it right now. We did it. Internet.
You guys are survivors.
We're survivors. We're doing better than you. You're crying, man.
Got to get down.
What's going
My
on?
throat is, you know, closing up.
You need some water or some milk?
Possibly some milk, you know?
All right,
I think I'm
okay.
gonna go get some.
We do have some milk right in here.
Typical day, but not the same old thing. The same old things that you're used to. Come on. Doing the same old things, y'all.
So this is the hottest pepper in the world?
It's got the hottest pepper, the second hottest pepper, the 7th hottest pepper, the 10th hottest pepper, and pure concentrated pepper extract.
And these are actually like 6 doses of
More than that.
the challenge. I get another sticker.
Make your life decisions.
Yes.